Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today I'm making a card for a BeebeeCraft, and you can see this is the card we're making. A really fun little flamingo. The greeting says, "Be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons," and then we have the inside there. Alright, so to get started for the card, you will need a piece of cardstock for the base of the card. This is 8.5 by 5.5. You want to score that at 4 1/4. Crease with your bone folder so that lays nice and flat for you. Then we have a layer of Flirty Flamingo. This is 4 by 5 1/4. Same color, this is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. Then we have some white. We need one that is 4 by 5 1/4. This one is 3 3/4 by 5. Same color as our card base. This is 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is stamp our flamingo. And I'm just using VersaFine black ink. I'm actually going to stamp the greeting first. Right over here. Just in case I mess up, I can flip it over. So I'm going to stamp the greeting in the bottom right-hand corner on top of that pink cardstock. Super cute. Alright, now we're going to stamp the flamingo. I thought it's easier to stamp him on, or her, on a pinkish color cardstock versus trying to color it in. Alright, so there we go, that is done. Now we have our background paper. That one you want to use the 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to close my black ink and bring in a green ink. This is Stampin' Up's Grainy Apple Green. And I'm going to grab the leaf from this. Oh, I didn't tell you the stamp set, did I? It's called Jungle Animals. Oh my gosh, look. Flamingo, elephant, monkey, lizards, all kinds of greetings. Really, really fun one. Alright, we're making our own background paper just by stamping some leaves all the way around. You want to go in different directions. You also want to go off the paper so it looks more natural. Okay, a few more and we'll be done. Okay, that is all done. I'm going to take my 4 by 5 1/4 piece and stamp 2 of those leaves in the bottom right hand corner just for something on the inside. Okay, alright, we're done with our stamp and we can set that aside. Alright, now let's work on our card assembly. Alright, so I have my pink here. This is the my card base is Paper Tray Ink Honey Nut. This pink piece is Stampin' Up's Flirty Flamingo, that was perfect for using with the flamingo. So I'm going to put that on there. It kind of just breaks up the brown with the white, and then we're going to attach. But before I attach that, you can see I did add some twine, so I'm going to do that. I have a smudge there, so I'm actually going to put my twine down there. So I'm going to flip this over, grab a piece of tape, tape it to the back, then bring it around. You don't want to go too tight. I'm going to come down a little bit. I want it wider on this side, so it kind of comes together like that. We're going to flip it over, put another piece of tape on that to hold that down. I'm going to cut this twine, and then we're going to tie this into a bow right here where they join. Okay, and then just fix our loops so they're not so long. Alright, going to cut our tails off. Alright, we're going to take this and adhere that to our pink layer. Just like that. Alright, now we're going to take our brown layer. I'm going to cover up that smudge I have right there. Is this, yeah, the right size. I'm going to put that on an angle. Then we're going to take our flamingo and pop it up. And I'm just going to use 5. All the corners and then 1 in the middle. Take the backings off. And that quickly our card's done. So super fast card. Alright, that's going to get layered on top of that one there. Isn't that cute? So we have that one. Oh, I didn't do the inside. Alright, let's go ahead and put our inside in. And I do have a card kit available as well. I will show you that in a moment. Just going to put this piece in there. There we go. Isn't that a cute little card? Very simple, but I do love it. Alright, so the card kit is here. I do include the twine as well as an envelope. You'll also get the finished card with an envelope as well. So you have the finished card. You can mail out a card you can make yourself. So to win the card kit, just leave me a comment below saying you want to be entered in the card kit, and I will announce a winner on Saturday. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. I will have everything I used linked below. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.